Okay, now let's look at this question. The question asks you to find the total shaded area enclosed by the curve and the x-axis and the line x equal to 3. Basically, is to find the shaded area. Okay, so whenever you have an area that is below the x-axis, okay, let's say I name this area A and this area B. If the area is below the x-axis, right, you must always find this area separately. Meaning you integrate from 0 to 2 and integrate from 2 to 3. Don't integrate from 0 to 3. Okay, let me explain to you why. Okay, let's say I integrate from 0 to 2. Okay, so it's 3x x minus 2 dx. So sorry, area of A. Area of A equals to, okay, before we integrate, expand first, 3x squared minus 6x dx. Okay, so let's say I integrate this, I will have 3x cubed over 3 minus 6x squared over 2. So it will be x cubed minus 3x squared. Okay, so I will have 2 cubed minus 3 times 2 square minus 0. Because substitute 0, it will be 0. Okay, the area will be 2 cubed 8. 8 minus 12. Right? So this will be negative 4 unit square. Okay, realize that your answer is a negative 4. Why? Because the reason is because it's below the x-axis, not because your answer is wrong. Area cannot be negative. But because the area is negative here because it's below the x-axis. So what you should do is actually, if it's below the x-axis, right, you must actually modulus this whole thing. Modulus everything. So even modulus the area here, so it's actually 4 unit square because area cannot be negative. And then you find area of B. You can see the area of B is above the x-axis. Okay, so 2, 0, 3x squared minus 6x. Okay, same thing, so it will be x cubed minus 3x squared. 2, 0, so it will be, sorry, it's not 2, 0, it's 3, 2. Because now you're integrating from 3 to 2. Okay, 2 to 3, 2 to 3. Okay, so substitute in 3 cubed minus 3 times 3 square minus 2 cubed minus 3 times 2 square. Okay, you press your calculator. Okay, you get 4 unit square. Okay, so therefore total area or shaded area is equal to 4 plus 4, which is equal to 8 unit square. Okay, so just remember, if the area is below the x-axis, you need to do modulus, meaning your final answer, you must make it become positive. You need to find these two areas separately. You cannot integrate 0 to 3. If you integrate 0 to 3, your answer will be 0 because it cancels out. The negative 1 and 4 cancel out to become 0. So it's important that you split this into two separate areas. Okay? Always remember that.